Okay, so what the hell? Let's get back on here and check out a few few more cryptos and 7 food stocks. 2 cryptos. One is Dogecoin here. Dogecoin is still at 0.069. Bitcoin is still at 21.4. So nothing changed there. Hershey. Let's go with 7 food stocks. First one is Hershey's. And 6 month looks good to me. That's a nice chart. That is a nice chart. Pulled back June, July, and it's moving higher. That is a nice looking chart. And let's look it up on FinViz. We got it right here, and very nice. Busted out of a resistance. 1, 2, 3. And heading higher with 2.5 on Friday. So that is a nice looking chart. Hershey, a good company there. Let's look at the sales for Hershey. Annual sales, steady, strong, heading higher, up 10%. Quarterly, 19%. Doesn't look like 19%, but anyhow, annual showing a 10%. Net income 15, profit margin 4. Good solid sales for Hershey's. Kellogg's. Kellogg's, wow, another nice chart. Food companies doing well. This one's doing better than Hershey. Look at that. Not even a pullback. June, July, here you go. June, July pullback. Yeah, there's a pullback there. And it's just been heading higher at 76. That's Kellogg's company. You know, it's boring, but it's a good investment. Look at that chart. Nothing wrong with that. June, July pulled back a little bit, trending higher, right in the channel. Look at the channel, it's heading up. 76. It's beautiful. Let's go over here. Take a look at the I like looking at the earnings on Google Finance. I like seeing these bar charts. So you got 2%, 3% earnings for Kellogg. Stable. Very stable. Net profit, double digits. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Nice chart, good company. General Mills. I do that every time. General Mills, right here. Okay. Wow, even another better chart. The food companies are on fire. You've got June, July pullback, and it's just been heading higher since. So the boring food companies are doing well. Look at that. Beautiful. Right up against this resistance at 77. Hardly a pullback, hardly anything. No, you got to pull back June, July here. But in this channel, it's doing very well. What was it? General Mills, GIS. And revenue, 4%, 5% increase. Quarterly, showing 8%. The biggest one here is annual. Net income, 15%. Profit margin, 10%. Very nice, very nice. General Mills, nothing wrong with that. Conagra, CAG. Conagra's flat. I would say that's a flat chart there. Not doing too much on the good old Conagra. CAG, Conagra. And let's see what it looks like here. Up, down, pull back. It's heading higher in terms of since the June, July low. I guess it had a drop there, and it's at 35, doing okay. Look at their sales. CAG. And let's see, annual sales 3%. So squeaking out a small profit there on sales with Conagra. The chart is a little bit not a very good example of the chart. I don't think that's right. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go back to Campbell Soup. CPB. Campbell Soup. So Campbell Soup is not a good chart. Look at that. Pull back, heading higher. The food stocks are just knocking it out. You know, they're boring, but they're holding up really well. There you go, Campbell Soup. Somewhat of a pullback. Nice, trending higher. Here you're at 46. Now you're at 51. We were on Campbell Soup, right? Campbell Soup, and let's look at their earnings. Now they're flat to negative, I guess. Quarterly's up a little bit. They're basically flat, but and Hormel, HRL, Hormel Foods, 51. There's the chart. It did the June pullback and heading higher. Let's go over here, HRL, and see what looks like on FinViz. Oh yeah, beautiful. Pullback and nothing stopping it. Heading higher at 51. HRL. Let's go down here. Annual sales are 18%. They're in the increase. Showing 18 quarterly, 18 yearly. Net income barely. Net profit not so much. And KHC. Oh, damn it! How many times did I do KHC? Kraft Foods. Pullback and flat. It hasn't come up yet. Let's look at it on here. KHC. Kraft Foods. Yeah, okay, it's done the pullback, June, July pullback, and flat. It could be a good buy right there. Let's check their sales. KHC. See what their sales are. Flat. Yeah, flat sales. I think the best ones out of these are Hershey and General Mills and Kellogg's. So the food stocks are doing well. If you want to take an interest in those, so the HSY, K for Hershey, K for Kellogg's, GIS for General Mills, CAG for Conagra, CPB for Campbell Soup, HRL, Hormel, and KHC for Kraft, Heinz Kraft Foods. So those are some ideas to look at and some things to look at. The first three were doing well. Hershey looked good. Kellogg's looked good. General Mills looked good. Let's go back and take a look and see what Dodge is doing. This is Sunday afternoon, and we've got a little spike out of Dodge. Dogecoin 0.069, and a little spike out of Bitcoin 21,500, showing a little bit of life. But let's watch it and see what it does. So that's it for now. Ken Weston out.